Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Zelle mobile app. Zelle is a fast and easy way to send and receive money directly from your mobile device. To get started, you will need to download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have downloaded the app, you will need to enroll by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and US mobile number. You will also need to link a US bank account or credit union account to use Zelle. This can be done by selecting your bank from the list of participating banks or by entering your debit card information. After enrolling and linking your account, you can start sending money to friends and family. To send money, simply select the Send Money option. Enter the recipient's email address or US mobile number and the amount you want to send. You can also add a memo to the transaction to let the recipient know what the payment is for. To receive money, the recipient will need to enroll in Zelle if they have not already done so. Once they are enrolled, the money will be deposited directly into their bank account. If the recipient has not enrolled, the money will be held for 14 days to give them time to enroll. It is also important to note that Zelle is a fast and secure way to send and receive money. All transactions are protected with the same security used by your bank, and your money will be insured by the FDIC. To keep your account secure, make sure to use a strong password and keep your account information up to date. In addition to sending and receiving money, you can also use Zelle to request money from friends and family. To request money, simply select the Request Money option. Enter the recipient's email address or US mobile number and the amount you are requesting. The recipient will then receive a notification and can send you the money directly from the Zelle app. Overall, the Zelle mobile app is a convenient and secure way to send and receive money. By following these steps, you can easily enroll, link your account, and start sending and receiving money with Zelle. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and use a strong password to keep your account secure.